Greetings, friend. Watch refrigeration news for Thursday, June 29, 2023 on our channel. ASERCOM attended the EPEE General Assembly. Australia to ban high-GWP refrigerants in small AC. ENGIE Refrigeration celebrates 20 years of quantum chillers. One enhances refrigerated container fleet with Carrier's Lynx fleet solution. Caverion delivers one largest CO2 refrigeration systems to Oulun Energia. Frascold focuses on training for the growth of the sector. Carrier Transicold expands line of solar charging systems. ASHRAE approves groundbreaking standard to reduce the risk of disease transmission in indoor spaces. BioLife Solutions receives the CAP Laboratory Accreditation for all SciSafe U.S. Biostorage facilities. Dear friend, please like this video if it was useful for you. First news today. ASERCOM attended the EPEE General Assembly. ASERCOM attended the EPEE General Assembly on 21st of June, where some important issues were raised and discussed. One of the most important was the recognition of the many European legislative changes that offer opportunities to our industry, but also bring uncertainties or threats. Among others, a deep insight was taken into the F-gas/FES, eco-design and e-dossiers, some of which, like F-gas, are at an advanced stage. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Australia to ban high-GWP refrigerants in small AC. The director of the Ozone and Climate Protection section in the Department of Climate Change, Energy, the Environment and Water, Patrick McInerney has advised AREMA that the Minister for the Environment and Water, the Tanya Plibersek MP, intends to implement restrictions on small air conditioning equipment with high global warming potential, GWP refrigerant. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. ENGIE Refrigeration celebrates 20 years of quantum chillers. Powerful performance, outstanding reliability and high efficiency. For 20 years, the quantum chillers from ENGIE Refrigeration have been providing precise cooling for industry, production and public office buildings, and have earned an excellent reputation with customers. The first generation of quantum models with oil-free compressor technology with magnetic bearings and a cooling capacity of up to 1. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. One enhances refrigerated container fleet with Carrier's Lynx fleet solution. Ocean Network Express, ONE, which is one of the largest liner shipping companies globally, is installing Carrier Transicold's Lynx fleet solution onto its existing fleet of Carrier refrigerated containers. Lynx fleet will be installed with the latest features, including Reefer Health, which comprises Carrier's proprietary technology to monitor near-live reefer unit performance as well as up to a 72 hours forecast, providing added visibility on location, movement and temperature of individual containers on a centralized data stream. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. Caverion delivers one largest CO2 refrigeration systems to Oulun Energia. Caverion will implement a smart refrigeration system, including cooling and heat production, for a new energy center being built by Oulun Energia. After completion, the energy center will produce clean cooling energy for Nokia's new campus in Oulu and heating energy for the district heating network of Oulun Energia. The system is based on cooling and heating production in the same process, where intelligent controls ensure minimum waste of energy. Read more the news on our website today. Seventh news today. Carrier Transicold expands line of solar charging systems. Carrier Transicold has enhanced its platform of solar charging systems for transport refrigeration unit, TRU, batteries with a wider array of choices and greater power delivery for faster charging. Rapid gains in solar panel technology have enabled us to make significant improvements to our solar charging systems, making this a great time to take advantage of our technology, said Jason Foreman, Director, Aftermarket Parts Sales and Marketing, Carrier Transicold. Read more the news on our website today. Eighth news today. ASHRAE approves groundbreaking standard to reduce the risk of disease transmission in indoor spaces. ASHRAE announced the approval for publication of its highly anticipated Airborne Infection Risk Mitigation Standard for buildings, bringing numerous benefits to occupants and promoting healthier environments. ASHRAE Standard 241, Control of infectious aerosols establishes minimum requirements to reduce the risk of disease transmission by exposure to infectious aerosols in new buildings, existing buildings, and major renovations. Read more the news on our website today. 9th News Today. BioLife Solutions receives the CAP Laboratory Accreditation for all SciSafe U.S. Biostorage facilities. BioLife Solutions Incorporated, a supplier of class-defining bioproduction tools and services for the cell and gene therapies, and QUAT, CGT and QUAT, and broader biopharma markets, announced that all of its SciSafe branded biostorage facilities in the USA have been accredited by the College of American Pathologists, CAP. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Join Refrigeration Group on Facebook and LinkedIn. Please find the links below.